And we're back from camera 2. We're going to mix some white and spray on the top of masking tape and at the bottom to create an insulating layer for our next colors. Red on the bottom and dark gray on the top. Right. As usual, Vallejo Model Air White. Give it a good shake. That should be enough. Few drops of airbrush thinner and a drop of flow improver for luck. Let's mix those up. So basically our ratio is 50-50. 50 paint, 50 thinner, which in turn is 9 drops thinner, 1 drop flow improver. I think we're good now. Let's connect our airline on our trusty airbrush. And we're going to do a light misting just where the masking tape is, to seal everything up. Don't need to blast a lot, just create an insulating layer at the bottom. Port side is done. Let's go for the starboard side. Just a thin insulating layer. Nothing more, nothing less. That's it. Thank you, compressor. Just the final bits, and it's a very thin layer, and we're done. See you back on camera 1.